What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and I just want to show you guys these foreign bills that I found at a yard sale, and I want to go through them and see if I have anything valuable or anything in really good condition. So along with collecting, US currency, I also like to collect foreign stuff. So let's get into it. Okay, so right off the back I see 50 pesos from Mexico. It's in okay condition, kind of wrinkled. But I'm looking for the crisp bills. This has tape on it. It's not too bad. Okay. This one is in okay condition from Saudi Arabia. 1 real. I hope I said that right. I didn't butcher it. Not too bad. It's kind of wrinkled, but it's okay condition. These are really cool, guys, to see the different currency all across the world. Okay, we have one that's really good condition from Portugal. Some more Mexico pesos. Okay, Italy. Not too bad. All the different money across the world just looks so different and so unique. Like, everybody's money is just very different, especially compared to ours. You know, all we see is green, but these are very colorful and detailed. It's pretty cool. Turkey? Okay, so this is Turkish money, I guess. I think. Interesting. So I have a few of these. If you guys recognize any of these, let me know in the comment section down below. If I have anything good. I'm not familiar with foreign currency. I just like to collect it, so not sure if I have anything valuable or not. Bank of England. £5. France. Some France currency. Okay, what are these? Looks like I have a lot of pairs. Pesetas. From Spain. España. What do we have here? France. Some more France. Okay, not sure where this one is from. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know where this one is from. Is this Cambodia? Yep, Cambodia. Okay, let's see, what do we have? This one is in really good condition. Wow. Where is this from? It's Iran. Okay. 10,000 reals. We have £1, Bank of England. Pretty cool, guys. All this different money from all over the world. So yeah, I'm definitely going to research this and get back to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.